Alright guys, we're back. Time for a night ride on the GSXR 600. Get some gas, want to take some good pics. Hopefully we'll just ride around, find a good gas station. If you're new to the channel, this is my 2023 GSXR 600. I have a 8R in the garage. Just picked this thing up a couple videos ago. New to the super sport life, this thing's a whole different ball game. So much fun, really enjoying it. My first 4-cylinder. Let's go for a rip. Look how nice that headlight is on this bike. Not used to that. So I just programmed the shift lights for the bike. They were off. It's a nice night. Sky's kind of bright. I love that tone. Stock exhaust is not bad on this bike. I do want to be seen more and heard better, so I definitely will upgrade it. Maybe sooner than later. Let's see if we can get those shift lights to work. Oh, that's cool. Damn, this thing's a rocket. Holy smokes, guys. This thing is a rocket. Oh my God, it's so fast. It just fucking, it pulls so hard. Can't see too good here. It's scary. Holy cow, guys. This thing is fast enough. I did not need a 750. The torque would be nice, but man, that makes it really enjoyable without that additional. That was maybe a little aggressive. Without the crazy torque that like my 8R has, it makes the ride really smooth. Rolling on the throttle is very responsive. You can definitely tell if you overload it. Love this bike. It's nice to just get a second and breathe, but first gear is so nice on this bike. You can get out of any trouble in first gear. Well on your way. I'm really digging these shift lights. It's a really nice touch on something so basic. You know what? I don't miss it at all. All that tech on the 8R, I'm not wishing I had it. That screen's distracting, big, bright, very white. This analog gauge I love. LCD's cool, it's bright enough. I can see it clearly. What else I got? Rider modes on the 8R. I have, this has an A and a B mode. B mode seems pretty limited, honestly. So I tried it with my girlfriend on the back yesterday. She wanted to go fast, so we stayed in A mode. And she really likes this bike. There's a serious seating disadvantage on this bike compared to the 8R, but she says the thrill's all worth it. Look at this turn, I'm just cooling. want to practice more with this bike and focus on things like shifting quicker and smoother, less body movement, being faster on timing. A lot of these bikes, almost all of them, have the quick shifter. Smoother downshifts. That wasn't even in the power, as you can tell, but it rolls on so good. You need to use a lot more front brake on this bike than the 8R. Not sure why. I guess it's just all the weight is over the front wheel. Rear brake does not do as much. I can't quick shift down like I can on the 8R, and that really slows me down in a quick time. Let's go for a rip. It's too fast. Guys, my goal out here was to get gas. I haven't gotten gas. Now the fuel light's blinking. And I'm smart, I read my owner's manual at least. Blinking is better than solid, so let's see if we can get some gas. Where do we get the gas? There's the gas. Comment down below if you know what exhaust I should get for the bike. The M4 looks pretty sweet, the shorty version. There it is, the lowered 600. The piss missile. Good Lord, this thing's so fast. Can't believe I wanted a 750. Yeah, I'm kind of lost without a phone. My new iPhone 17 Pro need to come the hell in. I think I'm making my way back downtown. Yeah, the shift lights are nice. Because I'm not looking at the tach or the speedo, but I can definitely see that bright light go off. Wow. Wow. It's even faster than I remember.